Bosch rear wiper blades offer an OE fit for specialty rear applications. Easy one-step installation with quick click adapter. Wear-resistant natural rubber wiping edge contributes to long service life. Specially coated wiping element ensures smooth and quiet operation. Engineered and designed to application-specific wiping systems. Bosch rear wiper blades offer an OE fit for specialty rear applications. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for MK7.5 GTI, American 2021 GTI. We got this as an OEM replacement for our 2021 MK7.5 GTI, and it works absolutely perfectly. Don't get confused by the drop-down menu with different sizes. You want the one called size 22A19A. What does that mean? I have no idea. The box specifically lists all MK7 Golfs on the back as compatible.